Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this purse that I've been waiting. This is none other than Melody Cecile from DUYP, and this is so cute, guys. Let's open it together. I am so excited to see what it looks like. As you can see, it is really packed well with plastic wrap, and this is in navy blue color. And this is it, guys. So it has like a drawer like compartment here, and when you open it, it will look like this, and it says Melody Cecile DUYP. I have two of the bags from DUYP, and Melody is gracious enough to let me try this one. And it also came with this beautiful bag charm. The bag charm looks like. And let's open this first. Wow, this is so pretty, guys. I really like it. This is in cowhide leather, and this is called the Petit Paris 15. Wow, it was really packed well with tapes. And let's open this. So the plastic is out, and let's open this too. This is such a cute purse, guys. It also has like a felt lining in red, which is so pretty. And here there's like a foamy material in here to protect the bag, and it also comes in two straps, just like the regular Paris 15. This also has a canvas strap and a leather strap. So this is the leather strap, guys. DUYP, or Dress Up Your Purse, is making waves right now, guys, as the quality is really nice at a fraction of the price. And I think this is what it looks like at the shortest. So this is what the purse looks like at its shortest. So if you're gonna put it at the crook of your arm, it will look like this. Let's say we will make it in a longest setting. So you just have to slide it like so and strap it here on top. This is similar to the designer one, guys, that the strap also has like this kind of look. Let me remove this, guys, so you'll be able to see what the bag looks like. So this is the purse, and at the longest setting it looks like this. And if you're gonna wear it crossbody, it will fall like this. I will do a mud shot later at the end of the video, so you'll be able to see what it looks like. I really love the size of this purse, as it is long enough to fit our cell phone, and it has a wide width to it. So let's measure this, guys, so you'll be able to see. Based from my measurement, this is 22 in length, and then in height is 13 centimeters. The width is 6 centimeters. If you're gonna take a close look on the purse, this is what it looks like. A short handle here on top, and it has a jewelry material, lobster claw clasp or hardware, and at the back here it says Melody on one side and Cecile at the back. And when you open this, so I tried my cell phone, guys, and it will not fit. However, it will fit standing up like so. The cell phone will fit inside the bag. So this is in cowhide leather, guys. This is really made well. As you can see, all the stitches are in place and it is made really well, which is a part to the designer brands that we all love and know. And if you're gonna use my coupon code Stardust LV, you're gonna save 15% off from any purses that you're gonna get. And I also love this antique gold hardware, which is just subtle, and it is really complementing on this navy blue purse. It is really so cute, guys. Perfect grab and go bag, which is not heavy. Currently, I'm using this DUYP purse that I bought in black. And this one has a shiny gold hardware. And the size difference is this. This is the Paris 15. This is the Paris Le Petit. I've been enjoying using this purse, guys. Let's try to transfer the stuff. So let's open this cute purse. And inside, I have this Celine sunglasses, which is, I think, is a regular size sunglasses. And I'll put it inside. This hand sanitizer, which I always bring. Chanel card holder, which I really love. It will be protected more, so I'll put it at the back. A mirror from Chanel. Glossier lip balm, which I love. So this is what it looks like, guys. And then when you close it, it looks like this. You can actually put your phone in. Let's see if there's still room for the phone. Let's open the back. I can still squeeze my phone in here or here in front. So I can just like squeeze all the essentials in here and put my... I remove my cell phone case, guys, so you'll be able to see. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is what I'm telling you about, guys. If you're gonna put it at the back, it will not fit if you're gonna put it inside. But if you will put it here, it will fit. So it has a really like nice fit here, and this is a bigger phone size. And we'll close this purse, and you can still close it. I really packed it well. If you can see, all the compartments have stuffed in, and you can still fit it all inside the purse. Shoulder, it will look like this, and then crossbody, it will look like this. So this is what it looks like at the shortest again, guys. And if I'll put on my shoulder, it will look like this. So I guess it has like a nice length. There's still a good size drop on the back for the length of the strap at its shortest. This is such a ladylike bag. I really love it, guys. I also have this in navy. This is the Paris 15, and if you can see it both together, it looks like this. So this is the size difference. This one is taller and it has like a slight longer length to it, like so. So this is like mother and daughter purse, very cute. You would want to try this strap. It will look like this. The Paris 15 purse, guys, comes in 2 straps, and also this Paris Le Petit also comes in 2 straps. So this one is adjustable. You can adjust it to the length the way you want it, and it will look like this. And I think it looks good also with this small bag. It is nice that you have an option to elongate the strap. I am not using this in my regular size Paris 15 bag, but for some reason I like this both together, as it has an option to lengthen the strap if you need it. And if you put the leather strap, it has a different vibe to it, a different look, which is so versatile on this purse. I can also use my Paris 15 leather strap in here, like this one. This one has no snap closure, so I can adjust the strap longer if I want to. Let's measure it. It is 48 centimeters. But if you are a tall person, then I think this will be shorter on you. However, if you are a Louis Vuitton lover like me, let's see if you can hook here your Louis Vuitton straps. So this strap is from my Speedy 20, which I really love, and we're gonna try it in here, and you'll be the judge, guys, if it looks better. What do you think? This on my Paris 15, like in here, but I think I can also wear it in this purse. It's nice that you'll be able to adjust the strap, so if you are taller and you want a longer strap, you can also try your Louis Vuitton strap in this purse. What do you think, guys? It looks really nice and pretty, and it's just give the purse a different look. And let's say we're gonna put different SLGs in here. I have here my SLGs, and we're gonna start with the mini pochette. Let's see if it will fit. So it fits a mini pochette here in the middle compartment. This Chanel mini O case, and I'll put it here. And it also fits this Chanel card holder here at the back. And then we'll close it. So it fits, guys. This is really packed. So as you can see, the SLG that I put in here are not small. Like it has a decent size to it, but it fits in this purse. All the thick SLG that I placed inside, and it fits. So if you're interested in this, guys, don't forget to use my coupon code StardustLV, so you'll be able to save 15% off. And it is nice to have a discount on this beautiful purse, actually with the price in versus thousands of dollars, which we see from the designer brands with the same quality. You will not regret buying this purse, as you will not be able to spend thousands of dollars like other designer brands are charging us. And the cowhide leather is really great and amazing, and I've been raving about this purse, guys, since I have this two purses that I love. So it is nice to be able to have a smaller version if I want to go to the grocery or run for errands. But most importantly, this is lighter than this Paris 15. So definitely I will be able to use this purse often. Again, I really love it, guys. Let me know what you think of this purse. Don't forget the discount code Stardust LV. Wait till you get it. You will surely love this purse. Please leave your comments down below, and I would love to hear your opinion on this bag. If you own this purse already, let me know if you love it too, as I really love this. And please hit like if you find this video useful, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time. Take care, everyone.